2007 Chevy Avalanche. 5.3 liter beast of a truck. Well, we got done on it for you guys today. Got the stock catalytic converters there and there. And then guess what, boys and girls? True duals. All the way back 2 1/4 into mandrel bent 2 1/4 tailpipes. All the way back there and there. Into 4-inch tips, angle cut. There and there. We took all this crap off. Nobody likes mufflers around here. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Came out absolutely magnificent, if I would say myself. Beautiful. Sound decibels. Again. 114. That is, in my book, pretty loud. Shakes the wax in your ears. I think it sounds phenomenal. Tell me you guys don't like that. You'd be crazy not to like that. LTZ, baby. Let you hear it on the inside. Chevy Avalanche. Beast mode!
Yeah.
Huh?
No.
True dual? True. 2 pipes all the way back.